Welcome back. I'm glad you're here again. Thank you for taking these few minutes for yourself. It already says something gentle about the way you're choosing to move through your day. So let's land together, softly. Take one slow breath in and let it fall out. Feel your body arriving. Nothing to fix, nothing to achieve. Just you and this moment. Before we go any further, if this space supports you, feel free to subscribe or leave a small like. It helps this calm reach others too. Now, let your shoulders drop a little. Let the air move through you in a way that feels natural, almost like your breath is smoothing the edges of the day. As you breathe, notice the quiet spaces between your thoughts. You don't have to chase them. Just let them happen like snowflakes dissolving the moment they touch warm skin. Today is a gentle reset, a place where the noise slows down and your system remembers what ease feels like. With each inhale, imagine fresh air entering your chest, cool, steady, winter bright. With each exhale, let go of the little tensions you've been carrying around without noticing. The tightness behind your eyes, the weight around your jaw, the subtle rush inside your chest. Let them soften, one by one. As your breath steadies, feel how your mind begins to clear a little, like a window that was fogged up, now slowly revealing the shapes outside. You don't need perfect clarity, just space, just breathing room. And maybe just for today, you allow yourself to begin again. Not with pressure, not with expectations, but with a small inner nod, as if saying, "This is me, right now." And that's enough. Feel your chest expand with one deeper breath. And notice what shifts when you give yourself permission to start the day from a calmer place. You don't force it. You let it rise naturally, the way morning light slowly brightens a room. Let that truth settle gently in your body. Take one more slow inhale. Hold it for a moment. And let everything fall out with the exhale. Feel your body again, your hands, your face, your legs, the shape of you sitting or lying. Come back to the room, gently. Maybe wiggle your fingers a little. Maybe soften your eyes. And when you're ready, carry this softness with you. A quiet reminder that you can always begin again, even in the middle of the day. Thank you for being here. Take good care